What's up guys, it's Crypto Tamilan here. It's good to be back on a brand new video that I've put together especially for you guys. So, many of you may have heard or know about what is Bitcoin. But there is a new cryptocurrency out in this space and that has a very similar name to Bitcoin, and it is called Bitcoin Cash. So I'm pretty sure that many of you who have heard about Bitcoin Cash would like some kind of information regarding this cryptocurrency for you to get a better clarity about it. So I will explain to you in detail about what exactly is Bitcoin Cash all about, how can it be obtained and so on. So what is Bitcoin Cash? For those of you who are wondering whether Bitcoin Cash is a real cryptocurrency or not, it is actually a very real cryptocurrency, as it is as real as Bitcoin itself. So, Bitcoin Cash is actually an alternate coin, more like Ethereum, Monero, Dash, Litecoin and so on, which is listed in coinmarketcap.com. So, you can go to CoinMarketCap and have a look at Bitcoin Cash, and I believe it is the third or fourth largest cryptocurrency that is existing in the internet today. Bitcoin Cash was created back in August 2017 from a fork that branched out of the original Bitcoin's blockchain. So this is why Bitcoin Cash has the name Bitcoin at the very front of it. Now, Bitcoin Cash follows the exact same protocol as Bitcoin itself, which is why there will be only 21 million Bitcoin Cash to ever exist. The only way to obtain Bitcoin Cash is through Bitcoin mining, as that is the similar process that is done for Bitcoins itself. So Bitcoin Cash has to be mined out of the blockchain, and then you can purchase it or trade it or do whatever that you like with it. Now, Bitcoin Cash has its own blockchain called the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. Bitcoin Cash also has other similar characteristics to Bitcoin, like for example, it is fast, it is decentralized, it has pseudonymity, which means the identity of the person sending Bitcoin Cash is completely safe or unknown. Bitcoin Cash is also transparent, and Bitcoin Cash transactions are cheap, and there are many other privileges that a person who's using Bitcoin Cash can experience just by using or owning Bitcoins. Now, the only difference between Bitcoin Cash and the original Bitcoin is that Bitcoin Cash has an increased block size that allows more transaction to be processed into one block. Now that you have heard the audio about what is Bitcoin Cash all about, let's now watch a video that would graphically explain to you further about what is Bitcoin Cash.
What is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash is a digital currency that follows the original design of Bitcoin set out by the great Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. It is magic internet money. It is sent directly from person to person via the net without the need for a bank. It can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime for less than a cent. And unlike those pesky banks, your account cannot be frozen. Bitcoin Cash is generated all over the world by anyone running a free application called a miner. Mining requires a certain amount of work to be performed before they're dutifully rewarded with some Bitcoin Cash. Thanks to the brilliant economic design by Satoshi, it is always created at a predictable and limited rate. The keys to your money are stored in your digital wallet. Click below to download one now. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy or sell your Bitcoin Cash for dollars, euros and more. When you make a Bitcoin Cash transaction, it is signed using some cryptographic magic and is then zapped instantly across the network. Once a miner locks your transaction in the blockchain, it is permanently stored in the network for all eternity. Bitcoin Cash is also great for small businesses and freelancers. It doesn't cost anything to accept, there are no chargebacks or fees, and you'll get additional business from the growing Bitcoin Cash economy. Bitcoin Cash is changing finance and is opening up the global economy to every person on the planet.
So there you go. I really hope you have learned something beneficial from the video that I've put together regarding Bitcoin Cash and gained some valuable information regarding this cryptocurrency. If you would like a personal consultation on anything regarding Bitcoins or Bitcoin Cash or any other cryptocurrency, feel free to get in touch with me, as I will leave my contact details down in the description below, so that you can communicate with me easily. So, if you like the content that I've put together in this video, then make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun and informative content coming your way soon. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Crypto Tamilan signing off for now. Take care guys. Peace.